Welcome to the 2018 United Way campaign. I'm Heidi Gerdo. This video is to provide you with more information about the United Way campaign. So why United Way? United Way focuses on three building blocks to a good life: education, income, and health. The United Way is engaged in a long-term strategy to eliminate the root causes of Delaware's most pressing social problems in Newcastle, Kent, and Sussex counties. United Way works collectively with businesses, government, social service agencies, academic groups, community organizations, and concerned individuals to establish positive, long-lasting solutions for today and the future. Why does Delaware Tech participate? As a college, we participate in this campaign to help family, friends, and colleagues so the impact can be seen locally and also to be a leader in our community. Our campaign begins on October 22nd and runs through November 2nd. You will receive an email on October 22nd with a customized link for e-pledges. This link is customized to each individual. Do not forward the link to anyone else. Reminders will be sent to those who have not responded on October 29th. We request that even if someone does not want to give, that they go into the e-pledge system and indicate that they do not want to contribute this year. If someone would like to give through cash or check, we ask that you bring the cash and the check to the business office each night. Along with bringing those donations to the business office, you should also fill out a receipt for cash and check donations. The cash and check donations receipts should indicate the amount of money that someone is giving to the United Way and if they are giving to a specific fund of the United Way. The check receipts should also have the check number written on them. The receipts are a three-part receipt. The white and yellow copies belong to Delaware Tech, and I will be collecting those at the end of the campaign. The pink copy should be given back to the employee. Please inform employees that they can give to initiatives such as Delaware 211 and Stand By Me. Both services are offered through the Delaware Tech campuses. Your responsibility as a captain. You will be provided with a list of current full-time and regular part-time employees. Of the electronic pledges will be emailed to the students on October 22nd. Please remind them to not share the link. Please send an email to your team, to the employees that you are assigned, letting them know that you are their captain and they can come to you with questions. Please inform them that they can give with cash or check, but we do encourage them to use the e-pledge system. I will send you an updated list of individuals that are still pending in the system, so if they haven't donated, I'll let you know who hasn't donated so you can reach out to them as we move along through the campaign. This is a fairly quick campaign, so you'll be getting frequent emails from me. Please follow up with people even if they do not wish to contribute. Please ask them to click no in the e-pledge that they would not like to contribute. The campaign will end on November 2nd. And then that second email reminder will be sent on October 29th. Please remind people that if they would like to give through a payroll deduction, there is a $1 minimum pay required for payroll deductions. So they can't give any less, not 50 cents per pay, not 75 cents. It has to be $1 minimum. And a $25 minimum donation is required if they choose to make an agency donation. So if you can please include that information in the email you send out to your pledges, that would be great. The top 10 reasons to give. If you'd also like to send an email with these reasons, I feel like it really helps people to understand what the United Way is about. And if you have any questions about the campaign, or if you need any paper forms or receipts, please contact me and I'd be happy to send those to you. I'd also be happy to meet with you in person or talk to you on the phone about the campaign. And my information is provided. It's Heidi Gerdo and my email is hgerdo@dtcc.edu. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for everything that you're about to do and embark on. I really appreciate your help in this campaign and I look forward to working with you.